Hello and welcome to Fun Sock Creations Star Wars inspired tie-dye series. This is part 6 of our 7-part series. We've already made Team Yoda socks, now it's time for Team Chewie. You can check out our previously released episodes by clicking on the little info link in the upper right hand corner. You'll need the following supplies to create this project. You can also check out funsockcity.com for the comfiest white socks. When you first begin, make sure you wet your socks thoroughly and then wring out all the excess water so that they are just damp. To begin folding, lay your socks flat with the heel against your flat surface. Then pulling the back of the sock up with the top of the sock, create a diagonal line as shown in the video. Then along that diagonal line, create 4 to 5 little pinches of fabric that you rubber band, each individually, making sure that you bring the back of the sock into the fold. Then starting at the toe of the sock, just bunch it up toward that diagonal row and rubber band that spot. And then do the same thing from the top of that sock. It will be a very small bunch, but just do what you can. Repeat those same steps on the second sock. Mix the tie-dye according to the directions, and then on a tie-dye safe surface, begin with the blue and put it on that diagonal line of circles you made. You'll apply it to the front, and you'll also flip them over and apply it on the back. Do this to both socks. Then take your brown tie-dye. If you don't have brown tie-dye, you can make some by mixing yellow and purple together. Just test it out on a paper towel before you apply it to your sock to make sure it's the right color. Apply this brown to the rest of the sock, being careful not to mix it with the blue. So get it close, but do not mix it. And you'll do this on both sides. Once you're done, wrap them in plastic and let them sit for at least 24 hours. After at least 24 hours, run them under water until the water runs clear. You can also throw them in your washing machine after that and dry them in your dryer. And that's it. You're all set and ready to represent Team Chewie.